drag. All right, so today we are doing a catch and cook at this creek, which we haven't adventured this part of the creek yet on my channel. So I've been here multiple times and caught really nice fish, but yeah, we're gonna be doing a catch and cook today. There's this one spot, it's got all this concrete around it, and it's just this massive pool, and they just stocked it with a bunch of rainbow trout and brown trout. So we'll be trying to catch some of those, cook them up. So yeah, let's get at it. Head to our spot. We just have to, I don't know, we're hiking to it. Fish on. Hi. It's a brown trout. Yes, sir. Is it a keeper though? That'd be awesome. First time. Oh, he kind of swallowed it anyway. Yep. We're gonna have to bonk him. First fish of the day. There we go.
Really? Brown?
Another, is that a brown or a rainbow? It's a rainbow. Oh, and he's hooked right on the front. He'll get to go back, because that is definitely a smaller fish. Nice. Oh, land it, that's a keeper.
First trout on my new rod.
Oh yeah, he's good.
What?
He's good.
Yeah.
I'll keep it. We're gonna keep this guy, Luke. Daily limit's 6. So I could fill out my whole stringer. We'll just fill up that string. Land it! Bring him in my hands. Yes! Nice job. Heck yeah, biggest of the day.
Yeah.
And he choked it.
Alright,
yeah, we're gonna probably work our way around the stream. So yeah, let's get packed up and head out. There's 2 spots. In fact, I might see a massive brook right now. If that's a fish, that's literally insane. And it doesn't surprise me. This creek has surprised me multiple times on a large scale. Alright, going right here for this rock first. Perfect. Oh, I had one. Ow. Oh. There he is. Got him. Bit small. Yeah, I knew it'd be a brook. And it's a nice one. I'm gonna let it go. Oh! I have one on. Another small guy. Oh! Heck yeah.
What is it,
Brook. Oh, grab it. No.
Wait, do you not have him on your hook?
No.
I thought you meant to grab him.
No. Help me.
Alright, hold on.
Where'd he go?
He's under there.
Head. keep it.
Yeah.
He's been under there too long, and he's okay size. Not again. Yeah, let's just put this fish out, okay? There. There we go. No! Oh yeah. There it is. Nah, I don't know if that's a keeper. Oh, I'm cooking that, yeah. Set. See that? Is that a keeper? That's a keeper. That's absolutely a keeper.
Pretty, dude.
Yeah, that's a pretty one.
This lake
No.
kind of does look like
It looks like one, but yeah, it's not. It's Brook.
See what you mean, though. That's not my work.
Yeah. Damn, look at those colors. Wait, I want to get my phone, take a picture. Hold it out. There we go. Fish on! Are you kidding me? Keeper! That's my limit right there. He's just hooked too bad. And yeah, it's good size. And it's a male, so we're all good. Alright. Alright, we're not gonna try to film all of the cooking, but we're gonna do our best because I didn't bring a tripod today because we're doing a lot of hiking. So we're gonna get going here. So we're getting our butter going, but let's pick out what trout we're gonna eat. Let's cook 3 trout to start.
2, 3, 2. All right, so I
Take this
say
Brook for sure.
that Brook right there.
This Brook. We'll take
Wait,
him.
which one has the best meat out of the Brooks? That guy? Nah.
This one has good meat.
You can rip him off, I guess.
We'll take these 2, and we'll.
The brown.
No, let's take all these Brooks here. I don't want to
no
eat.
brown?
No. Let's take these Brooks first.
Sizzle.
Ooh.
Yeah. Spread that butter around, dude. Spread that butter around.
This guy in the middle is probably going to be the best. Or the guy on this side here.
I caught the guy in the middle, by the way.
Oh yeah, we know. He's got orange meat. That might be the best trout I've had.
Really?
This guy right here. Yeah, it's good.
Gotta go slow.
Instead of going upstream, we're going to work our way downstream because, well, I know downstream really well. And we're just going to catch more fish. So, to keep this video going longer, and if I do the math right, I might even make this like part 2, the downstream part of our catch and cook. I don't even know. So, either this video is about to end and I'm doing that, or we're going downstream for the next 5 YouTube minutes, maybe 10 YouTube minutes. So, let's go. No pressure. There he is, finally. It's a rainbow trout, that's why. I got a rainbow. Wild. No. He's looking for it. He thinks it's still there. There we go. Fish on. Oh, it's a big one. Bigger than he looked. Fish on. No, it's just the brook. I like the little worm. Absolute heart attack. Look at him. He's huge. That gave me an absolute heart attack. For a wild rainbow. Wild rainbow. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god, I had that big one.
No. Look at that. Right now, while we were hiking, we saw some smoke through a trees clearing. And there's apparently this gnarly fire going on. Way far away from here. It's still like pretty. Oh, I had one. Fish on? Oh, nice. That's a nice brook. How did I not?
Higher or the lower down you go, the smaller the fish get.
Oh, shoot! Oh, he blew it up. Oh, wow. No, he has my hook in his mouth, I think. Luke, I think he's trapped in here.
Yeah, he is.
Yep, he does. He ripped my knot off. Wow. What a true warrior. Oh, there's a fish. I got one.
From that far?
There were two there, two cast. Yeah. I think he just nudges the hook, you know what I'm saying? Oh! Massive brook! Massive brook! He's pulling drag! It's huge! Luke! Got him! Oh yeah! Look at that thing! That's gotta be a foot long!